全然違いますね。こんだけで。
おお。
ああ、いいですね。いい。
What's up, guys? Eric from Beat Sonic. Today I'm here actually at Beat Sonic Japan. Very excited to be here in Japan, and we're going to be installing the ShiftPower to this Japanese JDM GR86. It's going to be the very first install we're doing on a Japanese vehicle. Well, actually it's already installed, but very cool to see that the ShiftPower product is being installed on these cars in Japan. So if you look over here, this is going to be the car that they're going to be showing at the Tokyo Auto Salon. And super easy to install, same for the USDM vehicles. So basically you go behind the acceleration pedal for this car. It's going to be over here towards the outside, and there's going to be a factory plug that's plugged in here. You can unplug that. So before you do that, make sure you go through the sleep process. Make sure the car's asleep. You got to close all the doors, lock the car, unlock it, locate the plug here and unplug it. Very easy. The release tab is towards the right side. The clip release, the connector release. So you just press on it, pull up, and then you just daisy chain our product. And then we went ahead and then just for now just tucked it over here with some zip ties and routed the button through the side here up. And just hanging out here for now. We're gonna find a good place for it later, but very excited. Let's go. Gonna go for a quick test drive here in this beautiful Japan scenery. Right.
中見てもらうと。
はい、それ初めて見ます、こんな。
排気をそれで効率を上げてるそうです。
そうなんですか。Oh, look, you could even fit an adult passenger on the back seat. So cool.
これもうちの製品。
Oh, please excuse all the panels that are missing. Car is currently under some development. Okay, great. Well, let's go for a test drive. Driving will be done by Kaneda-san.
Let's go.
All right, then we're gonna start off with dynamic. 25%. Oh.
全然違いますね。こんだけで。
Oh. Wow.
めちゃめちゃいいじゃないですか。すごい。
This is just on dynamic, guys, and he is already super impressed.
いきます。
Here we go.
ああ、全然違う。
Wow.
楽。出足のもたつきがないです。じゃあ。なるほど。
All right, now we're gonna go a little bit aggressive.
スポーツ。
I'll try sports.
50%。
Oh.
あ、いいですね。
Oh.
いい。早い。いいね。
This really helps the lower end of the acceleration where a lot of these newer vehicles lack, especially right at takeoff. All right, here we go. Super sports. So this is on an uphill.
そんなに踏まなくても走る。もう一段。
All right, here we go. Race. It's the most aggressive mode. Let's see how he likes it.
いきます。
Whoa. Wow.
すげえな。
I could even feel it from the passenger side how much more acceleration there is compared to other modes. すごい変わりますよね、でもこれ。
変わりますね。
本当。
本当に。まあ、走るじゃなくても、
はいはい。
エコーになりますよ。踏まなくても走
たら燃費もいいし、全然遅くないし、あと高速道路で運転してる時でもあんまり踏まなくてもいいからすごい居心地いいって。
そうかもしれないですね。
これつけたらもうターボかなんかスーパーチャージャーとかいらないと思います。
そうですね。
はい。楽しかったです。ありがとうございます。
めちゃめちゃいい。
Alright guys, well we are back to Beat Sonic Japan. We went on this very fun drive. He is very impressed. Kaneda-san is very impressed. He loves it.
最高です。
I recommend you guys to give it a try as well. You will not be disappointed. That concludes our quick video that we made today on this quick demonstration and installation of our ShiftPower SP27 for the new GR86. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or you can email us at beatsonicusa.com. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Let's take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said